Hey everyone, this is Dr. Lamb, and this is my behind the scenes video. So I wanted to kind of show you my setup. Some folks have expressed interest in seeing this. This is not really a super professional setup, but I figured I would indulge the masses so you can sort of see what's going on. So this is my recording setup. It's really just kind of a hodgepodge of a bunch of different things. So this is the Mac Mini from my office. So this is not a professional gamer setup or anything like that, but it's kind of cobbled together from a bunch of different components. So that's the Mac Mini. I have some speakers. I have my nice monitor. I actually have two monitors. There you can see my calendar that is probably way too busy, but in any case, so this is the microphone that I use. This is actually a microphone that my wife had. She's a musician, and so this is an actual recording mic. It is a Shure SM58, and it is connected to the computer via an XLR to USB cable. So that just registers as an audio device, and I record my videos using OBS, so you can see right there. So I have my slides down here in the bottom, and an OBS is set up to grab that portion of the screen and then overlay my camera. So hello. Yeah, so I guess the rest of it, have a little place here for my laptop. There's my chair. There is the curtain. You don't want to see what's behind the curtain. It's just a bunch of junk. This was originally our guest bedroom until everything moved online, at which point we've pretty much completely transitioned it to being an office. There's my little glimpse of the outside world and my textbooks. So I'm teaching compilers and computer systems this semester, and of course a penguin and some stuffed animals, just for company. So yeah, that's pretty much my setup. So yeah, whenever you're talking to me on Zoom or watching a video, that's what's going on behind the scenes. So I hope that was a kind of a fun look, and I look forward to seeing you in class or in office hours.